So we are on question number 11 of AMC8 1985. A piece of paper containing 6 joint squares labeled as shown in the diagram is folded along the edges of the square to form a cube. The label of the face opposite to the face labeled X is. So the X is this face, right? Now there are 4 adjacent faces always to any face in a cube, and the remaining face will be the opposite face. So first step is to find the adjacent faces to X. So the adjacent faces to X is obviously V and Z, which we can see here. And when we fold this, you'll also observe that U and W will become the adjacent faces of X. So there's only one face which is not adjacent to X. That will be Y. And therefore Y is your answer. A square and triangle have equal perimeters. The length of the 3 sides of the triangle are given. The area of the square is being asked. So first step is to find the perimeter of the triangle, which will be the same as that of the square. So on calculation of this, we get 24. Now we have to find the side of the square. So just 24 by 4, just 6. And then we have to find the area of the square, which will be 6 square and 36. 13th question. If you walk for 45 minutes at a rate of 4 miles per hour and then run for 30 minutes at a rate of 10 miles per hour, how many miles have you gone at the end of 1 hour and 15 minutes? So first we calculate for walk. So you're doing 45 miles per hour, 45 minutes you're walking at 4 miles per hour. So you say 45 by 16 to 4, which will give you 3 miles per hour. Then you're running for 30 minutes at 10 miles per hour. So 30 by 60 into 10, which will give you 5 miles. So the total will be 8 miles, which is B, and that's your answer. 14th question. The difference between 6.5% sales tax and 6% sales tax on an item priced at $20 before tax is. So before tax, the item is $20. So to calculate the tax, we have to multiply it by the tax rate. So 20 into 6.5 will give you 1.3. That's your tax. And 20 into 6, when you have 6% tax rate, you get 1.2. The difference is 0.10, okay, which is B. Answer option B. Moving ahead. How many whole numbers between 100 and 400 contain the digit 2? Okay. So now this kind of problems have two different solutions. I'll tell you both because some questions in this will not be as easy as this one. So first solution, we divide the numbers. So first we look at numbers from 100 to 199. So here between 100 to 199 we have 19 numbers. So how do we count that? It will be 102, 112, and then we have everything from 120, right? So 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. Then again we start from 132, 142, 152, 162, 172, 182, and 192. So that's giving you 19 numbers. That's how you get this 19 numbers. From 200 to 299, every number has a 2. So you have 100 numbers here. Then from 300 to 400, again you have 19 numbers, the same strategy which we used first. So a total of all this is 138. Okay, and that is your answer. C 138. Okay, it's not it. This is the answer. 138. Now the second solution, right? First, so here we are going to use a method called complementary counting. When you have to really find huge numbers, complementary counting works. So first we find all the numbers which does not have 2, right? That's what is complementary counting. So what are the possible values? So we have a 3-digit number, right? So the first hundredth digit, we see that the values possible are 1 and 3. And please note that I'm keeping 400 out of the equation right now because 400 is a single number, right? We don't have like 400 to 499. It's a single number. So I'm going to keep that out. So for this possible values, I'm only considering numbers from 100 to 399. Okay. So in that case, the possible numbers here are 1 and 3. Okay. 2 is not possible. So there are two possible values here. Now for the second number, again, only 2 is not possible. The remaining 9 numbers from 0 to 9 are possible. So I have 9 possibilities here. Same thing for the third number. I have 9 possibilities. So when I do multiplication, 2 into 9 into 9, which is giving me 162. And then we have the one number which we left out, which is 400. So I get a total of 163. Now 163 is the numbers which do not contain 2. So to find out the numbers which contain a 2, first we have to find the total numbers that we have, which is 400 minus 100 plus 1, right? Because we have to include both these numbers. So totally we have 301 numbers. So numbers with a 2 will be 301 minus 163, which will be 138.